Hello, learners, viewers, welcome to my channel Sikhen. Today we will do few questions on trigonometric ratio. First question, it visible for all. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal to 15 centimeter, BC equal to 8 centimeter, already given. What we are going to determine, that is first question sin A and cos A, second sin C and cos C. By this question you understand, first we will take acute angle A, and in second step we will take angle C as an acute angle. Solution: in right angle triangle ABC at B 90 degree, we have AC square, that is you know everything and you are understanding. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That means AC is hypotenuse, AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square 15 centimeter already given, AB equal to 15 square plus 80 centimeter square. 15 centimeter square equal to 225 centimeter square plus 64 centimeter square. Its total sum is 289 centimeter square. AC square we get 289 centimeter square. If we find the AC length, so AC equal to square goes to right hand side, become root. So square root of 289 is 17 centimeter. Now with reference to A, angle A, that is acute angle, we have base AB equal to 15 centimeter, perpendicular BC equal to 8 centimeter and hypotenuse equal to AC equal to 17 centimeter. Sin A, you know, perpendicular by hypotenuse, that we have taken here and mentioned here, hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. BC by AC, 8 centimeter by 17 centimeter, centimeter cancel, that we get 8 by 17, 8 ratio 17, ratio has no unit, you know very well. And cos A equal to AB by AC, AB indicating the base and AC indicating the hypotenuse, which we have seen above. 15 centimeter divided by 17 centimeter and you get the 15 by 17. It is a reference to the angle A as a acute angle. With reference to angle C, which is acute angle, we have base equal to BC equal to 8 centimeter, perpendicular AB equal to 15 centimeter, hypotenuse AC equal to 17 centimeter. So it is easy to put the value as per our previous knowledge. Sin C means it is also perpendicular by hypotenuse, that AB is the perpendicular and hypotenuse AC. So we write here 15 centimeter by 17 centimeter, centimeter cancel here, centimeter and centimeter cancel, we get 15 by 17. That things we have to find, no? And second, cos C equal to BC by AC, B by H, that means base by hypotenuse, equal to 8 centimeter by 17 centimeter. We get centimeter, first of all cancel it, then we get 8 by 17. You know, ratio has no units. The second question, if cosec theta equal to a square plus b square by a square minus b square, then find the value of the other 5 trigonometric ratios. Now first of all draw a right angle triangle where B equal to 90 degree, that means right angle at angle B. Let angle CAB equal to angle A equal to theta, that it is shown in the figure. You see this right hand side of the question. Then cosec theta, you know, hypotenuse by perpendicular, AC by BC. AC already given, A square plus B square by A square minus B square. Therefore, if BC equal to A square minus B square K, then AC equal to A square plus B square K. K as a positive integer. You can take it. In ratio, we have done so many questions on the basis of taking the K. No. So in now come to the point. In right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, we have AB square plus BC square equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Yes, my viewers and learners, you know hypotenuse square equal to the sum of perpendicular square and base square, which given by Pythagoras. Then you transposing here and there according to value given in above. So we have to find AB square, then you can write AC square minus BC square, that value is given A plus B whole square K square minus A square minus B square whole square K square. Then after simplifying it and apply the formula here, A plus B whole square or A minus B whole square, you know very well, A square plus B square plus minus 2AB. So both formula identities, algebraic identity it is. So we used here. So after using and cancelling the negative and positive values, then we get 4A square, B square and K square, that is AB square we get. And then we have to find AB, no? So AB equal to under root 4A square B square K square. So equal to 2ABK. Now we will find above as given, no? Find the other 5 trigonometric ratio. First is, we will start because we have 3 sides, no? Perpendicular we get, hypotenuse get, base get. So sin theta equal to, you know, perpendicular and hypotenuse ratio, and you can write there BC indicating the perpendicular of the triangle ABC at angle right angle at B. BC by AC, BC value is A square minus B square, K, AC value is A square plus B square, K cancel, we get A square minus B square. Here A square minus B square by A square plus B square is given. No sir, after calculating, we computed A square minus B square by A plus B square. It is the value of sin theta. That according to question we are doing, no? First sin theta, second cos theta, you know, it is the ratio of base and hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. That AB we have find 2ABK and AC already given, A square plus B square K cancel, we get 2AB by A square plus B square. Tan theta, you know, perpendicular is to base perpendicular by base BC by AB, and as we have BC values and AB value, we accordingly put it and cancel K, we get A square minus B square by 2AB. Now the cot theta is an acute angle, you know. Cot theta equal to base by perpendicular equal to AB by BC equal to 2AB by A square minus B square, K by K cancel, it is 2AB by A square minus B square. Sec theta, hypotenuse by base, AC by AB, it's already given, A square minus B square into K, 2AB equal to into K cancel, A square plus B square by 2AB. One is left here, no, that is cosec theta What you know? Sir, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Is that clear? So hypotenuse we have what? That is AC and AB or BC. BC. Sir, it is reverse of the sin theta value. So we can write A plus B whole square. No sir, A square plus B square by A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So it's easy. It's completed. We have already find the 5 trigonometric ratio. No, and 6 also, no? Cosec we already find, no? Okay, right. Cosec is already given. On that we have find the 5 ratios, trigonometric ratio. Okay. In triangle ABC, the third question, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AC equal to 20 centimeter and 10 angle ACB equal to 3 by 4. Calculate the measure of AB and BC. Dear learner, dear viewers, you know, according to the question, first of all, we will draw the triangle ABC, where B is the 90 degree. Very good. AC is given, but 10C, C is your acute angle. Here is acute angle. It's given in ratio 3:4. So 3:4 given and AC given is 20 centimeter. It's very simple to understand what we should do. So you first write the given in triangle ABC, B equal to 90 degree, AC equal to 20 centimeter. Is clear? And 10 angle ACB, angle C is an acute angle, 3 by 4, AB by BC. AB by BC. Okay, let AB equal to 3x and BC equal to 4x. In right triangle ABC, we have AC square, AB square plus BC square. You put the value of AB and BC. Here is 3x square, here is 4x square, 9x square we get and 16x square get, add it, you get the 25x square. AC square we get 25x square, so therefore AC equal to 5x and AC value is already given, that is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter equal to 5x, then x equal to 20 by 5, that we get 20 divided by 5, that is 4 centimeter. Then it is easy to find the value of the or length of the AB and BC. So AB equal to 3x we let there above, and x value is 4, 3 into 4 for 12 centimeter, and BC equal to 4x, that equal to 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter. Hence AB equal to 12 centimeter, BC equal to 16 centimeter. Now the next question is 4. Here is given sin A equal to 9 by 41. Compute cos A and tan A. Very it's also required triangle. So given sin A equal to 9 by 41, it is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So we draw a right triangle ABC, right angle at B. Here we have written, and where AC equal to hypotenuse, that is 41 units, and AB equal to perpendicular, that is 9 units. You know very well ratio has no unit. And BC equal to base. The three part we have mentioned here. Then we apply the Pythagoras theorem. We are going to find the BC. BC equal to under root AC square minus AB square. AC square means 41 square minus 9 square. BC equal to, you can apply here, A square minus B square identities, that is A plus B into A minus B. Am I right? Yes. So we get 15 to 30, that is 1600, that is we get 40 unit. Which 40 unit? BC side. Base we get 40 unit. So it is easy to write the ratios of cos A, that is base by hypotenuse, that is 40 by 41. Then tan A equal to perpendicular by base, that perpendicular we have 9 units and base we have 40 units, so it's 9 by 40, tan A value. The next question, my dear student, if cosec equal to 2, find the value of 1 by tan A plus sin A by 1 plus cos A. Very good, sir. Cosec is given, so it is easy to find the sin A. It is reverse of the cos A. Okay, sir, here is given 2 only. So we will make 2 by 1. That means 1 is your perpendicular. So in solution we will write cosec equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular equal to h by p. Say it is easy to solve, no? It's when we write full word of hypotenuse perpendicular, it will take time. So we can take h by p. Say that 2 is to 1. So we draw a right triangle, angle B equal to 90 degree, such that P equal to AB equal to 1 unit, H equal to AC equal to 2 unit, base equal to BC. Applying Pythagoras theorem, BC equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square over root. So 2 square minus 1 square, 2 square equal to 4 minus 1 square 1, we get root 3. What is the value of BC? That means B equal to root 3 we get, and the given expression we have. Now we will write here 1 by tan A plus sin A by 1 plus cos A. Putting the ratios of that, 1 by P by B perpendicular by base plus P by H perpendicular by hypotenuse. In the denominator 1 plus base by hypotenuse. The previous knowledge you can apply here, which we have learned previous. So here 1 by 1 by root 3, 1 by 2, 1 plus root 3 by 2. After calculating or after simplify, we get it is a reciprocal, it goes to numerator. Then we get write root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 by 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3, because 2 cancel. Okay, then we get root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 by 2 square minus 2 root. What we have done here? Rationalization. We have learnt in class 9 how to rationalize the denominator. If you have plus, you multiply by minus. If you have a minus, you multiply by plus. Okay, I think that after calculating, in the last we get the answer 2. That means 1 by tan A plus sin A by 1 plus cos A equal to 2. The next question is it's also very simple. In a triangle ABC, right angle at C. Dear student, respect to sine, we always take, it is technique, B as a right angle. When you have a tan cot, I think that we will take C as a right angle and A as a acute angle, and expression also indicating us that which is our acute. Sir, here B is also acute and A is also acute. In the first question, I think that we have done, no? In the first question, with reference to angle A, with reference to angle C. Am I right? Yes. In first question we have done with reference to angle A or with reference to angle C. But in this question with reference to A and with reference to B, isn't it? With reference to B. You see here B is an acute angle, very good, and A is an acute angle, C is C equal to right angle. Let us draw a triangle ABC, right angle at C 90 degree, in which tan A equal to 1 is to root 3 ratios. You know tan A equal to perpendicular by base. So your angle is A, it is your perpendicular, it is your base. So BC by AC 1 by root 3, we get BC equal to, let x, AC equal to root 3x, x you say the x, okay. Then we above you have to taken k as it is a positive number. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, AB equal to BC square plus AC square, we know, and we have root 3x AC and x BC, we have x BC. Then after calculating, then we get 4x square and a over root square root of 4x square equal to 2x. To find trigonometric ratio of angle A, okay, yeah, you can say right here with respect to angle A. So such type you can write base equal to B equal to AC equal to root 3x, perpendicular equal to P equal to BC equal to x, hypotenuse equal to H equal to AB equal to 2x. We are denoting by letters. So sin A equal to P by H, then P is here x and H equal to 2x, x cancel, sin A ratio is 1 is to 2, cos A ratio is root 3 by 2 after calculating. And to find T ratio of angle B, now we are taking B as an acute angle, then change base change to perpendicular and perpendicular change to base, hypotenuse as constant, there is no change in hypotenuse regarding we are taking acute angle. Then sin B equal to P by H, because in the expression given sin B, it shows that it's required to find respect to angle B, and cos B equal to B by H. After calculating and cancellation, root 3 by 2 we get sin B, cos B equal to 1 by 2. Then write the expression. We have expression sin A into cos B plus cos A plus sin B. You put the value 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 you can it would be 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by, it would be root 3 square by 2 into 2 4, then root 3 square root cancel by square, we get 1 plus 3 and by 4, and 1 plus 3 equal to 4 and 4 by 4 equal to 1. This is your solution. My dear learner and viewers, I think that it is helpful for your building concepts regarding such type of question. Have nice day all of you. Thank you. Goodbye.